What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $46,800. We're up about 0.5% right now. What I want to do is take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I think this is going to be extremely important for us because this could potentially show the direction for the next few weeks. So what we're looking at here for Bitcoin, I want to make this fast for you. I don't want to drum along for a long time here. Main thing I'm looking at is this wedge pattern. So essentially what we've been having here since November 10th or 11th is just lower highs. You can see the lower highs coming in, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and a lower high. So what we're looking to do is get over top of about $48,400. So we can break that lower high pattern here on the 4-hour time frame because it's just been lower highs and lower lows. And you can see here we're gaining a little bit of strength. We're having some good volume come in, a little bit above average volume. We're starting to get a stock cross to the upside. And this is what we're going to need. We're going to need even more volume to try to get up through this previous high, break out of this trend line in this falling wedge pattern. And then also what we have to deal with is this overall downtrend line. So this is going to take a lot of volume to get up through this area. And you can see we have a lot of overhead resistance to deal with as well. We also have that $52,300. And that's why when we were falling through this here, guys, it was so important for us to hold this as support, this 53,000. I thought we were going to hold it as support. We broke right down through it, and now we've been trading below it, so that could act as strong overhead resistance. So you can see all these things here that are playing a factor. So the bullish aspect is we got a bit of a falling wedge taking place, right? Gaining a little bit of volume here. Our indicators on the 4-hour time frame looking like we may be able to get a pop out of here if we can get some volume with it. Some of the negative things that we're dealing with is first this trend line right here. Then we're going to have our overall downtrend line since the middle of November. And then we're also going to have that 52,317. And if we break out of this, that would probably be about a 10% move or so if we measure that. Let's see, guys, say even when from where we're at now, we gain a little bit of speed. So up about 10 to 12% potentially up to that resistance point. But it's important for Bitcoin to get going here because if we break down through this here, most likely we're going to go down and we're going to test this wick low. And that's going to be at about $42,400. So I definitely want to see this break to the upside. If we do just bounce out for a second here just to look at some indicators on the 1-day time frame. Let me clear this off. And also, guys, if you get some from these videos and you like that, I try to make them quick and efficient for you and not really have a bias to it. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know down low, and also let me know what you think for Bitcoin. If we're going to be breaking bullish out of this wedge, bearish, just put bullish, bearish. I would love to hear your opinion down low. So right here on the 1-day time frame, using Heikin-Ashi candles, we still have not had any bullish signals. You can see back here, guys, once it turned to green and we had this nice bullish candle with the Heikin-Ashi candles, no wick on the bottom, that really pushed us to the upside and kept us in this uptrend. So right now we've been in this downtrend. We have not seen that change to the green yet. So we're still waiting, but I do like the fact that we're having all these wicks down here now. So it looks like the selling's starting to slow down a little bit in this range. And whenever you get a lot of wicks, sometimes you can see over here we had a lot of wicks and then we got moving to the upside. You have a lot of wicks on the top that can push you to the downside. So just something I'm paying attention to. Doesn't mean we have to reverse out of here. Right now the stochastics at 54 and 55. If we take a look at our cipher, our money flow is in the red. Still pretty decent there. VWAP's at 0.49, so that's very neutral if we're taking a look at this. So it's very important for us to get up through the areas that I just outlined for you and then up above that $53,000, guys. That's the main thing, just taking this price action 1 day at a time till we get a little bit more confirmation. Let me know down low. Love you all. Take care. Hope you like this.